Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time coming here, we say welcome. Okay, a quick one, I'll tell you this. There's a trainee that is coming up on the 20th, which is next week, Tuesday, right? Come on, I tell you, you wouldn't want to miss this because I have a lot of package to unveil for you. It's only happening on WhatsApp, so these are the courses and it's not much. Just imagine it using because a lot of people say, oh please make a training, we'll be begging you, make a training, the general training WhatsApp group, do this thing for us. So I decided to do it, and I'm not taking more than I did say 10 pesos, and the 10 pesos is completed already, but they said I should extend it, I should add more 10 to it, which are still gonna make screening. So right now I tell you, I make it just 20 persons. All right, 20 persons. Okay, retalk. These are the things we're studying. These are the things I will teach that they on the group. Pink lips balm and a pink lips itself, and a pink lip balm and a pink lip scrub, Moroccan whitening black soap, and a baby body scrub, whitening scrub, la 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 whitening lotion, and halogen lightening lotion, and then again no halogen lightening milk, then again strong whitening oil. Those are the things I'm teaching, about 7 of them. All right, so those are the things I'm teaching. So the training is gonna be exclusive, just small money. Okay, let me just 5k. All right, 5k to get this course involved enrolled. So 5k. So the number of what you will pay to will be placed in there, will be placed on the screen also. Other than that, don't pay to any other person. It must be my name, right? The surname, and you know the bank, Echo Bank. Don't pay to any other person. It will be, if you did not see the account number in here, don't pay to anywhere. All right. So that is it. It's just 5k to get about 6 to 7 courses. All right. Yes, and they are very nice one. Okay, I want to quickly tell you about this Fashion Fair Gel Plus. You know, a lot of people be mistaken it for Fashion Fair cream. No, we have the cream and we have the plus. They both work perfectly, right? They both work perfectly. So the question is, aside the fact that they be mistaken it, this is a whitening, this one is a whitening, is a lightening and whitening gel plus that have been made to fade all dark spots and dark heads and other skin conditions. So I might tell you that the reason why I would say use it, but use it carefully, is because I know it works very well. You know what I mean? So it works very well. But at the other hand, don't overuse it, because the same time it works very well, it can still cause you some other, reaction, side effect, because that's why I would prefer you using the cream to this one. All right. So, but if you're using this one, it works very well, I tell you. But it shouldn't be much of it. I could just imagine when people, they take like almost 10 or 20 inside a tube. They say yes, it's the process, it's the procedure. They want to get white, and that is, yes. I've seen somebody who shouted me up that this is what she used to police, and she just say 20. I said, you want to kiss somebody, like, oh no, it's unfair. So please, if you're using this, use carefully. That's what I mean here. All right, if you're using this, please use carefully. And I advise, if you want to use the cream, not the gel. But if you're in love with the gel, you can use, but use carefully. And this, we have steroid and we have betamethasone, which is this one. Okay, this one is a betamethasone, the propionate. So you can want to use this, but use carefully. Steroid or betamethasone, all of them, they are all the same, but this one is, I would some people they are allergic to it, it can cause them a side effect, and a lot of people who misuse it can let it also cause side effect. So other than that, it's a good tube too. You can always use it. Don't forget I told you that a training is really coming up by on the 28th of this month, so on the 20th of this month, so you wanna take part of it. It's just 5k, 5k, 5k. I've not done it before, like this is the first time I'm doing this 5k. So if you wanna take part, the account number is there on your screen, and the whole details is there on your screen where to pay to. And if you pay, all you need to do just send me a receipt on WhatsApp via the number on your screen. Are you getting it? Yes. On the 20th of this month, that's when we're doing the training, and it's just 1 hour. Please mind you, the courses is just 1 hour. The courses which I've just made mention, and I'm about calling them again, mention them again. I said we're taking one. We're making a strong whitening oil. We're making halogen lightening milk. We're making la 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 whitening lotion. We're making a baby body scrub, and we're making Moroccan whitening black soap, and we're making a pink lip scrub and pink lip balm. That's what we're making. And don't forget, if you want to buy your skincare product, you can always count on us. We have other products. We have Malawi, we have Shakara oil, and we have yellow CC oil, and we have their lotions as well. Don't forget that. We have Blue Woman, and we have Irish Ladies White also. In your heart you'll be trying, should I give it a try? Why not? Give it a try. Alright? We are real, okay? We are real. This is what we do. And don't forget, we ship raw materials everywhere. Whether you want us to ship to you in Europe, Asia country, Canada, UK, just name it. Africa countries around us, we ship everywhere. Even in this country, we deliver everywhere. And then we have our own logistic team also, Austin Global Logistics. Don't forget that. Trust me on this one. All right, we deliver everywhere. If you want skincare raw materials, not just skincare raw materials, original, you can always count on Austin Global Cosmetics. Everywhere we go, we there, So, nice talking to you. See you when I see you on the next video. Bye bye.